everyone, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making a quick and easy guacamole. This guacamole recipe is super simple, but it is exploding with flavor, and I have one secret ingredient that you're not going to want to miss. To make this guacamole, you're going to need, of course, avocados, but I like to add a few other things into my guacamole to mix it up. I like a chopped red bell pepper. This is more for color than anything else. It also gives it a nice crunch and a little bit of sweetness. Some very finely diced red onion, jalapeno. If you like things spicy, chop up a little bit of jalapeno, and I love spicy food. Garlic, I have about 2 cloves of minced garlic here. My secret ingredient is cumin. So I like to just put a couple pinches of cumin into my guacamole. Cumin really punches up this flavor and gives it that southwestern like spin, and then both lemon and lime juice. Some mix-ins, my favorite thing to add to guacamole is pineapple. The acidity and the sweetness from pineapple just goes so well with the avocado. But to make the guacamole, we're going to start. I know everybody loves my knife skills. They're not any better here. We're going to cut the avocado. And avocados are tricky. This is like the most dangerous thing. A lot of emergency room nurses always tell me people come in with avocado hand all the time. So we just cut around the edge. To remove the pit, you're just gonna like grab the pit like that. Don't hold it in your hand and go like that, then you'll end up with the dreaded avocado hand. And I like to do the cross-hatch method. So I'll just kind of slice it that way, and then we're gonna slice it across this way. So my favorite way to make guacamole, and this is great for kids, is I put everything into a Ziploc bag, and you're just gonna mash it up. So we're going to take the avocado out and put it in the bag, just like that. And you really don't even need, this avocado is like pretty ripe, so you don't even really need to dice it up. You can kind of just spoon it into your bag. Just like that. Okay, and to that, we're going to add our mix-ins. So I'm not gonna use all of that. I'm just gonna throw a few things into the bag. So we're just gonna add some red bell pepper, some onion, oops, a little bit of the jalapeno, garlic. I'm gonna use all the garlic, some cumin, sprinkle that in. And now we're gonna use the juice of a lime and half of a lemon. Squeeze that into the bag. And if you have a stubborn lime, stick it into the microwave for about 10 seconds and that juice will come right out. Now I'm gonna chop up some cilantro. And not everybody likes cilantro, so you can definitely leave this out, but I love it. Throw that into the bag. We're gonna season it with just a little bit of salt and some pepper, and then you're gonna zip your bag up, press out some of the air, close it up, and then just squeeze it. This is great for the kids to do. This is really great for a picnic, or if you go to the beach, you can just throw this into your cooler and then just eat it out of the bag. You don't even need a bowl. But I'm going to put it into a bowl. If you like a chunkier guacamole, I like to just mix it up in a bowl. I'm a chunky guacamole girl, but I really love this hack. It's just easy and fun. And then if you have like not a weird Ziploc bag where it has pleats, you can cut off the corner and like kind of squirt it in. But I'm just going to open it up and kind of spoon it all into. There you go. And then if you have any ingredients that are not like perfectly mixed in. You can certainly stir it up with a spoon. Okay, and then this is where you wanna like mix in. If you wanna add jumbo lump crab, maybe some Old Bay for like a Maryland style, like a coastal guacamole, that's really good too. I have a nice piece of avocado in there. That is perfect. Little tangy from the acid from the citrus. You can taste the cumin, kind of like leans toward the taco beef flavor, and creamy, but with enough freshness from the vegetables and like chunkiness from the avocado. It is perfect. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.